So I'm back here in my wonderful clutter-free basement. I last said I'd be doing update videos weekly, and that was 4.5 months ago, and I did not make any. Well, now I will be doing them every week. Very soon after that last video, my wife and I got the very sad news that her grandmother had passed away, and they were very close. Then, while preparing for the funeral, my grandmother from West Virginia had a really bad stroke. So after my wife's grandmother's funeral, we drove to West Virginia so that my grandmother could meet our daughter Lily in case the worst happened. She is recovering nicely though. Afterwards, my wife needed a lot of help with our baby. I also just wanted to be there for her, and so we played video games together for a bit. Then in March, I really began to get back into my development, but I didn't want to create an update video without anything to show since it's been so long. I have been messing around with AI art and music. I did waste a lot of time trying to create basic placeholder art for my game. I've decided I'll do my best to make things look nice with particle effects and shaders, but I'm not going to waste any more time in this pixel art program called Aspirite, since I have an actual artist I'm planning to work with already. I watched a ton of tutorials on GDScript, and then eventually forced myself to create something which ended up being my fishing minigame. I will say that I had no clue how to structure my scene tree or write clean code in GDScript, so the code is an absolute mess, and it's very embarrassing. So I will be rewriting the entire minigame soon. It did, however, get me over that hurdle, and now I'm actually creating my game. Now, I did also say in the last video that this game is being inspired by my two favorite games, Stardew Valley and Hades. Well, Stardew Valley had a major update, and Hades 2 was released in an alpha mode, both in the last couple months. So I did play through them in order to see if there was anything new to inspire my development. Since then, I've been messing around with tile maps, normal maps that make lighting cool, shaders, character movement, etc. There are also a lot of really interesting Godot add-ons I've been seeing. I think I'm going to use Dialogic to handle my character conversation since it's easy. There's also some scene manager and AI add-ons I'm considering. I feel pretty confident in my ability to write all of the AI code myself, but if an add-on speeds things up and makes the game better, I'm not just going to ignore it. I also would say I'm now very comfortable in writing what I feel is robust, extensible GDScript now. I'm actually planning on writing a tutorial on composition in Godot since I couldn't find any that I personally found useful, and I would like to give back to the Godot community. I'll either be working on combat or updates to my fishing minigame more this week, so I'll be sure to showcase either one of them in next week's video. And that's it. I hope this game is enormously successful and people actually come back and watch how the game has progressed. That would be awesome. Yeah, thanks.